Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply the bounce and flash effects in the ShotCut apps. So first, just add photo or videos into the ShotCut app and then head to the effect menu at the bottom and then find the bounce and flash effect in here. So swipe through the category until you find the dynamic options, and here you'll see the bounce flash effect. So there are two options. This is the first one and the second one is here, bounce flash 2. So just choose which one to use and just click on the check icon and you can apply it to the entire clip if you want. So this is the result, and that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.